Hello friends, my name is Deepak Meno and you are watching Island Plus Tech Zone. So in this video we will discuss about the what is content type in HTTP request. So let's start. The content type representation header is used to indicate the original media type of the resource prior to any content encoding applied for sending. In response, a content type header provides the client with the actual content type of the returned content. So this is the basic definition of content type in HTTP request. So next the HTTP header. So before discuss about HTTP header, we will discuss first the difference between the request message format and the response message format. So there is the only difference between the request message and response message. It is the first field in request message format. The first field is request line. In response message format, the first field is status line, and the remaining three fields header, field blank, line, and message body are same in the request message format and response message format. Here I have discussed header field associated with the response message format. So in response message format, first line is status line. So here in status line example HTTP 1.1 200 okay, its main client request is succeeded at the server side. Next, four different headers are used. The first one is journal header. The second one is response header. Response header is present in the response message. Third header is entity header. And fourth header request header in request message. So request header is present in the request message. So we can say general header and entity header are present in request message as well as in response message, and request header is present in request message, and request header is present in response message. So this is the diagram shows the format of response message because response header is present in this diagram. Next, header can be contain one or more header lines. So here I discussed this three header: general header, response header, response editor, and entity header. In general header, there are two different lines. First one is the source, the date, it means when response was created. The second line indicates the connection of TCP, it is closed. Response header is consist of two lines. The first line is server, it means the response message is generated from with server. So here, so in this diagram it is generated from the Apache server. Second line of response header indicate in which unit the server will accept the data. It will be in bytes. Entity header contains three lines. First line indicate the content type. It is the text HTML content. The second line indicate the length of content, that 200 bytes, and the third lines indicates in the entity header is last modify. It means when this is response message was modified in response message format. After the header field, next field is blank line. Blank line indicates the header format is over. The last field of the response met is message body. Message body contain the different HTML tag like head, title, and the body of message. Of now discuss about real-time example of HTTP header. So here right inside it is the format of response message. So we will compare this message with the format of response message. In format of response message, the first field is status line. So now this is the status line. It shows the status queue and status phrase of the protocol. And from the second line, it shows the header lines. From the second line onward, it shows the header of response message. After header lines, it shows the blank line. So here slash r and slash n is the carries written and start the new line. So blank line indicate the header field is over, and the last field of the response message is message body. Now see, this is the data. It means the requested HTML file. So we all know that this is response message is sent by the server to the client. Now discuss some of the header field in real time example. The first field is date. So it indicates the time and date when HTTP response was created and sent by the server. The next field is server. It indicates the message was generated by an Apache web server. Next, last modify. It indicates the time and date when the object was created, and the last modified. The next field is content length. It indicates the number of bytes in the object being sent. So it means it is indicate the size of object. The next is content type. It can indicate which type of content are present in the message body. So here message body is consist of HTML text. So if you have any query regarding HTTP header, you can ask me in comment section. If you like this video, please share this video and hit the like button. Thank you for watching this video.